if you are watching this, you definitely don't know what changes Facebook has done in 2025 in Ad Manager. So the most important thing you need to know is the new updates you get in your Ad Manager. There are some Ad Managers I have seen they still on the previous version and they don't see new changes. Load few images in the dynamic creative ad set and it will give you an option to create more images using AI, and it will dynamically create more similar images according to your dynamic creatives. So this is a really good change which has been done in Facebook. I have been seeing many people saying that the new update Facebook has done on the Ad Manager has been killing their sales. They are not getting enough reach. That's all false. So the thing is, if you don't know how to create your campaign properly and you don't follow the Facebook ad policy rules, your campaigns will never perform. Not today and not in the past. So the biggest change they have done in your ad manager dashboard is the opportunity export. This is really good section. When you create your campaigns, it will give you suggestions that what you need to do to make your campaign more successful and it will generate good leads for you. We have already seen this scoring system in Google Ads and it's been done before. So it's a good practice from Facebook Ads that you will know the score of your campaign, and if you have missed something from your campaign, to add some options which can improve your campaign. So let's jump into more options which we get from Facebook. So let's create a new campaign and we'll see what options we get in here. So yes, we'll start with the lead one, continue. So this is the same options we get before. So if you go with the tailored lead campaign, it will give you everything set up from Facebook. So you don't need to set up anything here, but don't always believe the platform. You need to do it properly and set up everything according to your needs. So let's start with manual lead campaigns. In tailored lead campaigns, you can still change few things and few presets while you create that. It is just one click option and you click the tailored lead campaign and it creates everything for you. You don't need to like set up everything. It will set up most options automatically for you. But in manual, it's always good to create campaigns manually. So here what you need to do first is the advanced plus campaign budget. This is a really good option which Facebook has given. It's been there for the last year. It really gives the opportunity campaign to manage the budget accordingly. So here when you scroll down and select everything according to your data set, your conversion goals and your conversion event, and when you scroll down you'll see a conversion value rule. So this is a new settings which Facebook has provided to us. So here you can set up the conversion rates because some locations have different conversion rates and some locations are same. So means that if Florida and California are leads are converting on the same rate, or the Texas and North Carolina leads are converting on a different rate. So you can set up here everything, and this is a really good one. If you know the exact conversion and your calculations correctly, you can set this up correctly to get the exact conversions on your campaign. So this is a really good option. You can also set up some rules in the ad set, except the ones I have just showed you. This is the attribution model. So you can set up these rules. These are by default from Facebook. You can use either of them, the standard or the other one. I have already created the videos about the settings of ad set, and if you want to know more about this, you can watch those videos and come back to this one. So let's go to our ad setting, and what you do before that, you just put the image there and you publish your campaign. But now, since they have given you more options to optimize your ad creatives, once you upload your ad creatives, it gives you more AI options. So let me show you. Let me add one ad creative here. So let me show you how it works. I know many of you have already seen this option if you are already running ads, Facebook Ad Manager. But if you're new, this settings are really good because it gives you the ability to add the display labels under your ad creatives. Like if you want to also add the contact area, it's same like Google Ads. We've been doing this all in Google Ads, but now we also have opportunity in Facebook Ads. We add all those site links if we want under our ad creative, so you can send people to different locations from one ad creative or from your one ad. You can create some thumbnails here about that page, and this is really good. So let's say contact us. So it will add a label under our ad creatives, And we can add more, like if you're selling different products on your website, you can put a primary product ad creative. So you can put more product links under that ad creative. So now when you select your image, you have turn on you turn on this option. After this, you click next and add your text and everything, your ad copy. And in the last section where it says enhancements, you click next and it will give you around 6 or 7 different options. So this is all AI new features. If you don't know about it, these are really useful. You can also edit them. And so if you don't like some of these, you can definitely close them. It will not show on your ads, but you can customize them if you want. You can just click customize and it will give you more options to add different music or add manually your music into your images. This AI feature gives you an option to add videos on your images, still images, and also there's an overlay. So before, this feature was not there. All your call to action, everything comes down, or if you put it on your image. But this gives a really good option in your still images where you can exactly put your CTAs and animate your image. So these are really good options, and Facebook is giving you the feature to customize them. That's really good, because here you can see that it's coming here. It says take a closer look. I can edit them, customize them, change everything, and it will show on my still images. So these are really good options from Facebook. And the good thing about this is everything I keep changing here. It will be giving the score and it will tell me what I need to do to increase my campaign score. So now here I have only selected the website traffic. Though it's showing me here that if I add the instant form with my website traffic, it will increase more conversion on my campaign. So before, people just run the website traffic campaign and send all the traffic to the website. But this is a good way to collect the information of your lead before sending them to the website. Maybe they don't fill out the form on the website and just they go through and just close the website, or they think that they will come back and review your product again. So sometimes they forget. So this is the best way to collect the information. So if they don't end up purchasing your product, you can send them the emails later on if you have their information. So it's a good way to increase your conversion rate and to increase more leads on your campaign. You can also see it in all the places how it will be displayed. I have also created a video where you can specifically run on single placements. Like if you only want to run your ads on Instagram stories, you can do that. Right now, it's by default on all the placements like Facebook stories, feeds, Instagram reel stories, and everywhere in audience network also. So you can definitely run single placement ads if you want. I have already created that video for you, so you can watch that one if you want to learn about single placement ads on Facebook. So guys, these are the really good features in Facebook, and you should learn about this if you are creating a manual campaign for yourself or for your client. I will be launching a private community on a school. So if you want, just go to my website, popsitdigital.io, and there is a section free resources. Click on it, submit your detail on that form. So I will be having your email address. So once I launch my private community, I will be sending you the invitation to that. I will be uploading all the paid resources over there, and I will also be having the live sessions every week, so you can ask me questions directly in our Zoom calls, and there will be a group calls. I will be helping you with your campaigns, looking over your campaigns and giving you tips over there. So if you don't want to miss this opportunity, you need to go to the website and fill out the form so you get the invitation once I launch my private community. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe and take care.